Here we are inside Canvas. You can see it lists all my published courses, and down at the bottom it says unpublished courses. These are courses for the spring that have not yet been published. I can simply view all these by clicking on my dashboard, which lists all the courses I'm enrolled in for each semester. This includes courses that are face-to-face, not just Canvas courses that are either online or hybrid. So we can view any course we want, simply select the course by its title and also by the semester. And we can just click on it to open that course. You can see for this course, I have it opening on the syllabus page. So this is also the home page. So regardless of which one you click on, it's going to take you to this page. The syllabus is kind of an important page because it has a lot of the key information that we need for the course, including obviously the course title and section numbers, the instructor, which is also a link which will take you to the Welcome Meet Your Instructor page, a downloadable PDF version of the syllabus, which you can then copy to each of your devices or print out, whatever your preference is, and then a Start Here button to get you jump right into the orientation assignments to complete those, prerequisites if there's any, description, the duration of the course and the holidays for this semester, the student learning outcome expectations for this course. And then I've also created a quick link to each one of the sections of the syllabus, so you don't always need to scroll the whole syllabus. We can simply just go to something like assignments and projects to see what's coming up, see what their schedule is. We can look at grading, policies, required materials, which you'll want to review before the course begins, important dates, which are helpful as we're moving through the semester. So feel free to jump to any one of those sections to review that. The last one, the student support services, also have a link within this Canvas menu on the far left, so you can click there or use the one that I provided. Down below this, we have the course summary. So this is the syllabus that's generated by Canvas, and what it does is it takes the activity or assignment due dates and lists them chronologically, so you can use this as kind of a, what's coming up and to kind of plan your projects and your time to complete them. So this is a great way to review what's coming up. And you can see that there's a pattern of Thursdays being a due date, Mondays for peer reviews, Wednesdays for discussion posts, and then again back to Thursdays. So Thursdays are kind of an important date. So all assignments as listed will be due before 11 p.m. on Thursdays. Posts are due before 11 p.m. on Wednesdays. And then peer reviews are due before 11 p.m. on Mondays. So you've got time to get the work done and kind of plan your schedule accordingly. If we click on the modules, this is a great way to navigate inside Canvas. You can see all the sections broken down by a module or project unit. And within each one is a consistent layout of all the assignments and activities that take place during each project/module. So again, there's that consistency, so you can kind of use that as a planning mechanism to complete the course successfully. If I go up here and I choose Student View, this is the way it'll look to you when you come into Canvas. You can see that other than the welcome section, the orientation is grayed out, and you can see it'll unlock on January 17th at 8 a.m. Each of the subsequent projects unlocks after the project one. Each of the other ones unlock 3 weeks later, every Sunday at 8 a.m. So again, you can kind of plan if your Sundays are kind of free or you want some reading material while you're drinking your coffee or tea, I would recommend doing that. The only other section that's not locked is the syllabus, so you can review the syllabus content to be prepared for the very first quiz in the orientation. So if we click on Welcome Meet Your Instructor, We can see there's all my contact information, a little brief bio about me, a link to start the first lesson, the orientation, my contact information via my COM email, in addition to obviously the messaging in Canvas, and a message number for my office phone, snail mail address at IVC, my online office hours, the dates and times, and then the link to the office hours Zoom session. All our Zoom sessions will be accessible by clicking on the Zoom link. And so you can see the schedule of Zoom sessions A, B, C, or D. So again, you only need to attend one of these or post on the discussion for that week's participation credit. So pretty easy. A lot of students that aren't able to attend the sessions post on the discussion, post a topic by either posting a question, an answer, or a resource for that particular topic. This can be really helpful even if you are attending the Zoom sessions, because there's some great information that students post here. So it's pretty straightforward. It's important that you use the modules as a way of navigating. Again, only assignments that have been published will be accessible, and assignments that are still open that haven't closed yet can be accessed. Everything else will be grayed out as we see here. Let's leave student view. Let's go back to our syllabus. And let's quickly look at grading. So if I click on the grading section, you can see it tells us the units or points for each one of the assignments, total possible points, and then the grading ratios for the midterm and the final. So it's all pretty clear. One of the things that I wanted to point out here is if you want to do the pass, no pass grade, because we don't accept audits for GDS or MMST, you can sign up as pass, no pass, and as long as you get a C+ or better, you'll pass the grade, pass the class. And then I would talk to your counselor about whether or not the grade would be detrimental if you're planning to go on to a four-year school or transfer. The grades are posted automatically for the quizzes because those answers are already in place. So Canvas just evaluates that and then gives you the appropriate score for completing the quiz. All other assignments require that I post, assess, respond, and post. So none of the other assignments will take place immediately. They'll take anywhere from 48 to 72 hours is kind of the norm when I have time. Obviously, I'll post them sooner, but just to be aware. And then more importantly, if you're turning in an assignment late, you're going to get it pushed back to the back of the queue where you'll get graded after I've done all the other assignments that have been turned in on time and are complete. So that's kind of the pace, the structure. And again, if you look at the syllabus, this will kind of keep you on track in terms of the weighting for each one of the projects, the schedule down at the bottom, as well as the schedule on each one of the assignments. So welcome to the class. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message in Canvas, or if you're having trouble with Canvas, send me a message to my College of Marin email at dwilson@marin.edu. Welcome to the class.